All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you a quick styling video of this natural wave bob wig. It is 12 inches. It is from Cexxy Hair. So let me just get right into it. So it does have a limited parting space, so you're pretty much able to part kind of wherever, but you're going to get your most parting space right in the middle. The hairline is not super thick at all, you guys. This is like, I was really blown away by the hairline. I didn't have to do any extra plucking, which is awesome. And so I really didn't know how I wanted to style this. I just know I wanted to keep it really simple. And honestly, you guys, the length on this I loved. The only thing I wanted just a little bit more of is a little bit more density. Other than that, the natural wave was really pretty. The hair was lightweight, and it really reminded me of my own natural hair whenever I blow dry it and flat iron it like I did the beginning of the year. So you'll see that towards the end of the video. But the length on it, just the whole vibe of it, just felt like it was my hair, which is really, like, I don't know, I just don't get that feeling very often. So yeah, you guys, anyways, I did not bleach the knots on this. I just used my regular old foundation. So I've also been applying my wigs a little bit differently. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been using way less glue. So I still use the yellow bottle, but I put the thinnest layer of the Got2b glue on, and then I blow dry it, and then I add maybe 1 or 2 coats of the free spray on top of that, kind of like right after, and then I apply my wigs. And this has made the biggest difference with my wigs and how they're just so much more secure. And I don't get as much, I still get some, but I don't get as much like crusty dusties. That's what I call them in my house. But so yeah, so if you're having problems or anything like that with getting your wigs to stay down, I just encourage you to just switch up how much product you're using. Just kind of just switch it up a little bit. You may just have to tweak one thing, and that can make a world of a difference. But anyways, the only thing about this wig is that for me, it just didn't fit my head on one side. So typically, I mean, I've ran into tons of wigs that do not fit, and I make them work. I just have to make sure I cover the sides of my hairline, typically by my ears. This one wasn't too bad. I've had worse, but it still didn't fit. So if you have a smaller size head, this would be perfect for you. Or if this wig comes in a different size as well. So of course, I'll leave all the information at the bottom so you can check it out. And yeah, so if you're looking for just an easy wig, pretty much this could definitely end up being an everyday wig. This is going to be something that you would definitely love, and it's super affordable. I'm doing my best to give you guys, or bring you guys, some affordable looks, affordable wigs for the summer, so that you can spend that extra money on having a great summer with your family, friends, yourself, whatever, versus, you know, super expensive wigs. So I'm going to be mixing it up a little bit, and I hope you guys are enjoying this, and I hope you really like this video. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please let me know, and of course put them down at the bottom. You guys, I was struggling with this baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in before I leave. I don't know what's been wrong with me lately in baby hair, but I've been on the absolute struggle bus, so y'all just gonna have to bear with me. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I will, of course, like I said, leave all the information down below. Good job, Cexxy Hair, on this one. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.